So guys, this is marriage season and lot of marriages are coming and you are doing preparations for your marriage, and same for me because I came to India for my cousin marriage and have done lot of shoppings from Singapore and from India. So in this video I'm going to share what preparations I have done so that you can get some ideas. Even you all know better like what shopping you have to do, but this is a glimpse of the things that what I have purchased. So let's start. So first thing is start with the makeup. This is the favorite for everybody. Yes, Sephora. So this Sephora item I have ordered from Singapore, and actually I have most of the things, but few things was not with me. Maybe I'm going to share with you what I don't have. So these are the lipstick. So these are the lipstick of MAC brand. So these are having the different shades. You can see this one different color, this is red color, this is purple color, and the shades are very pretty. Maybe let me open and share to you. This is one, the creamy MAC, that's nice one, and this is purple one, and this having the different, yeah. So all you can see it's of different color. Never mind, later I show you with the closure cap. And other important thing, I have highlighter, but that highlight is of gold color. Now I ordered this from the Rare Beauty. So all the cost you can see on the screen, like how much it is. This shopping I have done in Singapore and I ordered it 1 week before. Guys, you need to make sure you are ordering on time because if you are living to some other country, you may not get the item on time. So this is, if you see, this is a white glittery one, and this is very nice. The moment I applied, I can see the complete difference. It's very amazing. Yeah. So this is from the Rare Beauty, and these are the free samples of blush and glow I have gotten because there was option for me to choose it and get it. So I thought, okay, let's go and try for it. I didn't try yet, but later maybe I try. But this is also very good. This is from also Rare Beauty. Another is this. These are the free concealer what I got. Natasha Demona. That's also very nice. But till now I didn't try. Maybe later I try and show you guys how it's look like. And there is also free serum pouch, serum activator. Yeah. So I still have to use this one. So guys, this is about Sephora box. So big box and these items came, and let's move to the next item, which is specially for the kids. I have ordered this many of clothes from the Shein, and that's really amazing. Actually, I was not aware about it, but one of my friends suggested it. Previously I was ordering from Amazon, but this try I tried from Shein, and the design for the kids was very amazing. Let me open one by one how it is. So this is for my younger one, and you can see the design like this, right? It's amazing, correct? Yeah, I also like it. So keep it side. Let's open the next one. This is also one of my favorite one. Actually, my kids already wear it one or two times, but still I want to show you like what dresses I have ordered. So this is also nice design. Let's open another dress. I'm so excited to open this dress, and these are really fashionable. I really like it. And the cost I have given here, you can see and go to the website. This is for my little one, with the unicorn one, because especially the kids like the character dresses. Now let's open another dress. Yes, this is also one of the design I like it. You can see these dresses are very comfortable. It's not tight also, and it's fitting very well as per the ears, because I have ordered based on the ears, like how old are your kids is. And you can see this dress is also very comfortable, and kids really liking it to wear it. Let's open for the next dress, which is, the next dress is this one, the blue dress. And my kid was looking very pretty. Actually, they have already wore it one time, so I thought to show you guys because the design I really like it. Next is amazing blue sky color, and that is also very fashionable because the strips is coming from the back side. You need to wear from your neck through the head, and the design is back side, it's open. So for kids it's really nice. This is also very stretchable and comfortable dress, and the cost is very usual price like $4, $5, $10, $8, depends like what dress it is. You need to do two things. Go first, attend your loved one marriage and press the subscribe button, because this subscription is really free for you, but it's really motivate me to share my experience and bring things in front of you so that you will get to know some ideas. Next is this one. This is also for my little one and she like it a lot, and you can see it's like a design of another second piece, but it's joined together. I already have lot of sarees and suits, so I thought not to buy it because I'm staying in Singapore, and when I come to India then only I used to wear those dresses, so those dresses are not much used one. So I thought not to buy much dresses. I bought already the special lehenga that I'm going to show you later in this video, and you may like it, and definitely you may want to know the cost of that dress. Is this small pretty kids dress, and I have already tried this dress on my kid and she looking so cute, and the butterfly design especially she's liking it. So guys, now let's move to the jewelry part, artificial part. Even though you have your own jewelry, gold jewelry, silver jewelry, whatever jewelry, but definitely the artificial jewelry have its own place, like a brighter, so you get different looks. So for that I have bought one necklace that's matching as per my lehengas. So let me show you how it is. You may see how it looks like, so pretty. In one item itself I like it, and that's very pretty. Let me open for you guys. So even let me try for you. So let me try this design for you, and you can see it's looking so pretty and it's really matching on my lehengas, and it's like a diamond necklace, and together with that you will be getting two earrings. That's very long one like this. See how pretty I'm looking. Later I'm going to wear this on the big day, that is marriage day of my cousin. And together with that you will be getting one mang tika. That's also very amazing. And this is what my mother bought for us. It's like a bodla we call in Rajasthan. So the design is like this. You need to put this on the head, and like this you can wear. But let's see, I would be wearing this on that tika because I need to see the matching one, and it's coming really nice if I'm wearing it. That is also pretty. And this is my kids jewelry, small baby jewelry that I bought for them, because definitely they have, if I'm wearing the things, they may also wanted to wear the same necklace like me. So I don't want to get disturbed my jewelry. So I thought to buy this for them. Let me take out. This is what the amazing jewelry I bought, and the cost is very less. It's around 1,000 rupees. I think less than that because we did some bargaining. So it's around 800 or 700 rupees like that. That is around $12 to $15 in Singapore. So next come to the bangles part. That is also very amazing. Actually, for different occasions I need to buy the different bangles, and for my kids also I have chosen few bangles. So let's see what combinations I have bought for my dresses. Actually this is only one box. I still have more boxes, but that I have already used. This is a new box, new bangle set what I have bought. So first let's start with my kids jewelry. Yeah, so this is a small multicolor bangles, right? Looking so pretty, right? This is what I bought for my little one, and she was so happy. She was asking, Mama bought this for me. Yeah, let me show for my elder daughter. This is the silver bangles that I bought. That's also looking very pretty. The specialty of this color is you can use it with any of the dress. Now comes to my bangle set. This is red I bought because I have one sari which I can use, and I can wear, and with that, together with that I can do matching. And especially the moment I saw it, the glittery part, I like it. And the green color, because I have dress of green color, together with that I have bought it. And in between there is a golden bangles you can see, so it can be matched with any of the dress. So I have two sets like this, so you can see it's looking so amazing, right? Even you want to buy now also, okay, never mind, when you want to buy you can also go for it. So this dress I can do mix and match and can wear with. So this is my lehenga matching, so like this I can match and wear. So that's what I said, it's a mix and match, you can wear it in any way, but you need to make sure it's coming in your hand, because sometimes what happens, the shopkeeper gives you but it doesn't fit from the back, because back side of our hand is bit thick as compared to the front side. So for me it was not coming, so for me no choice, I need to reduce my bangles. So you see, this is the matching bangles for my lehengas, and which I'm going to wear on the weekday. And the final one is this golden bangle. This I can match with any of the dress, because golden can be matched with any of the dress. That's also very pretty. Cost around 1500 to 2000 rupees, but still depends on you where you're going or how much you are able to do bargaining. So now time for buying some shoes and sandals. This is the shoes and sandals what I have bought for me. I have already my sandals, but I thought to buy some different one, and it's not so much costly, so I bought two pairs. One is this white color. Actually this white color can be wear with any of the dress, so I thought okay, this is the good choice to buy. And moreover I don't have white color now, so I thought okay, I'll go for white color. So these are the wellies you can wear with any of the dress, and its color is like this, can be matched with any of the dress, so I thought to buy it. So I think these are the two options what I felt is good, and I thought to buy for this marriage preparations. Now come to the clothes part. Actually I have already different suits and long suits, sarees, everything, but I try not to buy this, because sometimes, as I said, I use it. And this time let me show you what shopping I have done from Bega. But now this is time to reveal what I have purchased. So this is a small short top which I felt looks good on me. So I choose to take it with the black color, but there's two more colors, I think light orange and the cream color. I think both were nice, but I thought because it can be matched with any of the dress, it's like a short one, not the long one, so your tummy bit visible. Next is this cream color. The color especially I like it, because of the color I think I have taken it. And this is the nice design here. You can see you can squeeze it as per your convenience, but I think it's not required. This is also normal top, normal length, not the short one. So this is I bought because maybe in case if I need to go here, I can do shopping from here. But okay, few things, clothes, I thought Singapore have good, so I thought to purchase from there. And now this is the long trouser pant, which is also coming really nice on me. Actually till now I didn't try it, maybe later I will try and want to show how it's look like. And this is coming really amazing. Let me show you another one. This is my skirt, and this is I didn't try yet, but the moment I was trying it at the shop, it was very nice on me, so I thought to buy it. And this is another short top. This is also like tummy one, so I didn't try this type of clothes before, but I thought this time I will try it. Now it's time for the lehenga that I'm been wearing at the marriage peak day time. And the purpose of buying, because definitely everybody want to look something special, so this is like navy color lehengas with lot of lot of work is there, you can see in the photos. And it's like a long lehengas with the chunnis and the blouse and lehengas were not stitched, but you can go to the market and they can stitch for you. So guys, this is the preparations what I have done for my cousin marriage, and it's really amazing to show and share my experience with you. You may also like to share what is the most important thing you want to buy for your relatives or friends marriage, and why you want to buy. So all this you can share together with me. Thank you very much. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.
I don't even know if you can live.